Let's go through LeetCode 560. For this question, it give us an integer array nums and integer k, and let us try to find how many non-empty subarray which have sum equals to k. For this question, we are going to use a prefix sum. We know to calculate a subarray, normally we use a prefix sum. For the prefix sum, normally we, for example, there is a length n for the nums. We are at the actual index at the beginning of the prefix sum. So it will be n minus 1 for the prefix sum array. For this question, even we don't need to create the prefix sum array, we can just use the map. The map, the value, the key will be the prefix sum value, and the value will be how many times this kind of prefix sum already appears. So we call this map counts. For us, I like to add an actual 0 at the beginning of the prefix sum array. So I say for prefix sum which have the value 0, it appears once. So I need to put 0, 1 at the for the initial value. Prefix sum equals 0. For into nums x sum plus equals num. So we are finding the result equals 0. So what I say, if the map already contains key, like current prefix sum minus k, that means we have the prefix sum in the previously there is prefix sum in this kind of value, and the current one is prefix sum, and the difference between current prefix sum and the previous one, that is k. That means we have such array sum equals k, and for this kind of at this index, we how many subarrays we have is that for this number, how many times it appears. So the result plus equals to get fix sum minus k. And after we add these two results, we also need to get this prefix sum to update our count map. So counts prefix sum. Originally, it may not have this key, so we'll have get or default prefix sum 0 plus 1, and at the end return result. So conjugate if contains key result. This is if this one contains key, then we'll add. So for this question, it is a linear operation. So if there are n elements, the time complexity is O(n). Actually, we see for this time data range, it only allow us to be O(n) or O log n or n log n. The space we use a map, so it is the O(n) space complexity.